Mike with at Astra Sign Co. We're going to show you how to install a decal using the Hinge Technique. First of all, we already kind of pre-cleaned these windows, but we just want to go ahead and wipe off any excess dirt, dust, debris. Make sure that window's nice and clean. After that, we're going to move into getting your decal centered up on the glass where you want it at. And by the hinge technique, basically we're going to take a piece of tape and create a hinge in the middle of the decal. So first you just kind of want to eyeball this, get it close, and then we'll use the tape measure to get it even closer.
Look at the daylight, huh?
Yes, sir. You're going to make sure that you're the same distance away from each edge. It'll move to the right about 1/4 of an inch. They're both at 5.5. Next, we're going to measure down from the top. About a 1/4 inch low on this side, so we'll adjust that. Alright, right at 6 inches on both sides. Next, we're going to remove the left side by simply separating the application tape and the backing paper. We're going to cut that down right at the hinge. Make sure that you don't have too much of an excessive angle on your knife or else you'll scratch the glass. Pull that down. Use the wiper to hold it in place. I'm going to bring this over. You're going to use your hard card to kind of run it down to the end. You can also use your hand if you're more comfortable with that. Alright, next we're going to remove that hinge. I'm going to fold this over to what we just did. I'm going to remove the backing paper just like that. Once again, we use the windshield wiper to hold that down. Since we've already created that hinge, we're going to do the same thing on this side. That's going to keep everything in place. Seal that down. This is an important thing to remember. Whenever you get to the part where you're going to remove the application tape, you just want to pull it back over on itself and remove it just like this. You want to go nice and slow so you don't rip any of the letters if they lift. And there you go. Decals installed. Just clean up your mess and be on your way. Thank you.